Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raniati. I am a student majoring in primary school teacher education at University Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. Today, I want to share my opinion about the national exam as a graduation requirement for elementary school students. I truly believe that it is not a fair and good policy. There are three strong reasons why I disagree with this system. First, the national exam gives too much stress to young students. Children at the age of 11 or 12 are still learning how to manage emotion. Facing a big and serious exam can make them scared and anxious. A study from Makassar State University in 2021 showed that more than 16% of 6-year-old graduates feel very anxious before the national exam. They cannot sleep well, feel nervous, and even lose motivation to study. This is not healthy for their mental development. Second, the national exam only tests students on time. It does not show their learning process during 6 years at school. According to Ki Hajar Dewantara, the goal of education is to help children grow completely, not only in brain skills, but also in character, creativity, and social behavior. Sadly, the national exam only focuses on memorization and academic scores. Also, expert Howard Gardner said that children have different types of intelligence. Some are good at art, some in language, and some in teamwork. So, using one kind of test is not fair for all. Third, the national exam is not fair for students in different areas. A report from the Indonesian Ministry of Education in 2018 showed that students in cities usually get better scores than students in villages. This happens because schools in cities have more support and better facilities. If all students take the same exam, even when their school situation is very different, this is not fair. It only makes the education gap wider. Let us look at Japan, one of the top countries in education according to PISA OECD 2022. In Japan, elementary students do not have national exam to decide graduation. Instead, teachers use daily learning, project, and student behavior to evaluate. In Islam, Allah does not only judge result, but also effort. In Surah Al-Najm, verse 39, it says, "And that man will have nothing except what he strives for." This means education should also value students' hard work and daily progress, not just on final tests. Therefore, I recommended that elementary graduation should be based on many things: daily scores, project or portfolios, student behavior and effort, final scores, tests made by teachers. This system is more complete and fair because it sees all sides of the student, not only academic skills. Thank you for listening to my opinion. Bye!